DJI has introduced a new generation of entry-level drones, the Lito X1 and Lito 1, designed to make aerial content creation more accessible than ever. As the global leader in civilian drone technology, DJI continues to push the boundaries of innovation, bringing professional-grade tools to beginners without compromising quality. The flagship model, Lito X1, is equipped with a powerful 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering an effective resolution of 48 megapixels. It features a fast f1.7 aperture, enabling high-quality low-light performance and reduced noise during night shooting. The drone supports HDR video, 10-bit D-Log M color profile, and an impressive dynamic range of up to 14 stops, providing advanced flexibility for professional color grading. The more compact Lito 1 model is designed as an accessible alternative. It features a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor, also at 48 megapixels, with an f1.8 aperture. It supports 4K video recording and allows photo capture up to 8K resolution through interpolation. Both models deliver sharp image quality in daylight and dusk conditions, making them ideal tools for aspiring creators who demand more than basic results. DJI has placed particular emphasis on safety, one of the biggest challenges for beginner pilots. The Lito X1 features a fully omnidirectional obstacle detection system, enhanced with a front-facing LiDAR sensor capable of operating in low-light conditions. The Lito 1 also includes omnidirectional obstacle detection, though without LiDAR, maintaining reliable navigation and collision avoidance. These systems actively detect and avoid obstacles such as walls, rocks, and trees, allowing users to focus on creativity rather than control. To simplify content creation, the Lito series integrates a suite of intelligent shooting modes. Active Track enables precise subject tracking at speeds of up to 12 meters per second. Quick Shots provide automated cinematic movements, including rocket, circle, and orbit shots. Master Shots combines multiple flight patterns into a single dynamic sequence. Hyperlapse allows motion-based time-lapse capture, while Panorama Mode delivers wide-angle compositions with minimal effort. Even beginners can achieve smooth, professional-looking footage without manual piloting. The drones offer a maximum flight time of up to 36 minutes using a standard intelligent battery. Wind resistance reaches up to 10.7 meters per second, ensuring stable performance even in challenging outdoor conditions. For fast workflow, DJI includes quick transfer technology, enabling file transfers via Wi-Fi 6 at speeds of up to 50 megabytes per second. The Lito X1 comes with 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, while the Lito 1 relies on a microSD card. This allows users to quickly transfer footage directly to a smartphone, even in the field, without the need for a computer. In terms of pricing, DJI positions the Lito series competitively. The Lito 1 starts at €339, while the Fly More combo is available for €479. The Lito X1 starts at €419, with the Fly More combo priced at €579. DJI also offers a replacement protection program covering accidental damage, including water loss and crashes, with up to 2 replacements per year. The package includes an official warranty and free shipping. With the Lito series, DJI is redefining what entry-level drones can achieve, combining accessibility, safety, and professional-grade technology. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more technology insights.